Hola guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'd be ranting about this one here, KC3000 I bought from Lazada in Kingston last mall. Now, one thing I really like buying from Kingston here is their warranty period. Most of their items comes with, their RAMs in particular comes with a lifetime warranty period, limited warranty period. This one here comes with a 5-year warranty period, which is really good. I have multiple instances where my SSD is failing on me. So having a 5-year warranty period is pretty good. I bought this one for 8,800 pesos. You could find other Gen 4 SSDs out there, a bit cheaper ones, but some of them only comes with a 1-year warranty period. So this one comes with 5, so that's great. And another thing here is its performance. So far, I'm actually able to surpass this one in my actual file transfers. I think it's around 7,100 megabytes per second or 6,100 megabytes per second, something like that. Anyway, it was able to surpass the rated performance, so that's good. Here's a quick look on its crystal disk mark results. Just Google what these mean, and there you have it there. So pretty good. So yeah, 7,000 read, 7,300 here, 6,000, 6,000, pretty close. And file transfers are pretty awesome as well. Another thing that really made me decide into buying this one is it's free cloning software, but unfortunately it's not working on my system because I'm on Windows 11. This only this one here is compatible with Windows 10 or earlier. That said, first things first, this is how I received my packaging. Yeah, here. And this the SSD comes with an aluminum spread or heat spreader. And here's the back side of it. And when you open the packaging, cut along the sides where the blue marker is, and then after cutting along the sides, flip it open. The serial number should be right behind this box or uh, cardboard here. It'll be right behind this one here. So be careful not to cut along this yellow marker, okay? That's where the serial number is, which you'd need to activate your Acronis software. Now, to download the software, just go to Kingston website, kingston.com/cloning, and hit enter. It'll be in the description field below as well. And it does say here it only works for Windows 10, but you guys know how it is. Most softwares that works with Windows 10 most of the time works with Windows 11 as well, but not for Acronis. If you guys are able to make it work with your Windows 11, please share it in the comment section below. You'd be helping a lot of people, me included. And I actually tried downloading the 2021 version. It's not working. It's not accepting the serial number. Uh, Another is the latest one. I forget the name. Cybersecurity Acronis, something like that. It's not working as well. It's not accepting my serial numbers. So yeah, the instructions pretty spot on. And just thing to note here in step 2, check email. After you check your email and activate it, it'll launch a browser and the website where you'd be able to log in and confirm your email address. Stay on that website. Going back to Acronis installation, type in here in step 4 the 16 character key long uh, that's in the packaging. Type it in here and click activate. After activating it, it'll bring you to the application itself. Before you forget, here is the application, right? Click on the person here, the person logo icon. Click on that. You'd be able to copy the 64 long character key, and copy that and paste it into the website or your Acronis account in the separate browser. Add that key in there to tie that license key to your account, and it's a perpetual license. You'd be able to use it as long as you're on Windows 10. There you have it. And more on the KC3000. Yeah, here's the performance. Yeah, more on KC3000. Do you really need this thing? Well, an application can only run as fast, it can run faster, like speed of light, something like that. It can only run as fast as it can go, right? So me personally, I'm actually satisfied with the NV1 that my laptop's using. But right now my motherboard supports a Gen 4 M.2, and I personally want to put in the best SSD I can that it supports. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. I want it, I like it, I want it, but I really don't need it. So inserting a Gen 3 SSD in there, or inserting a Gen 4 SSD in there, won't really bump up my usage. You know what? Let me show you guys this thing here. This is a PC 10 Mark 10 benchmarking software I use. And if you guys could notice here, with Kingston KC3000, my application launch score here is 12,734 with NV1, or rather with NV1 it's 12,550. Using a hard drive with an NV1 cache, it's 12,444. Bottom line here is this NV1 here is a Gen 3 SSD. It's pretty close to KC3000 territory. So NV1, 1 terabyte is, I forget the price. Bottom line here, guys, is the performance doesn't really support its pricing. The price to performance ratio isn't really there unless you'd be able to get a really cheap Gen 4 SSD, then it'll be a totally different case. But a Gen 3 NV1 from Kingston already performs quite well, in my opinion. But hey, if you really want a Gen 4, because there's that satisfying feeling you get if there's a Gen 4, the you bought the motherboard for a reason, right? So buying a component that's built for that motherboard isn't really far off. It makes perfect sense, right? Well, that's how I wanted to think. All right, so bottom line, KC3000 for its price, I find it okay. The warranty period is okay. Unfortunately, the cloning software is not working for me. So yeah, there you have it. And again, I'm really disappointed I'm not able to make that cloning process tutorial. But there you have it. So I kind of ended up with reviewing this thing. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And as always, see you in the next one.